started smiling. Smiling. Use no sooner than and as soon as. Prajwal. Don't write. Write it later, no problem. Anybody? Lakshmi? Rakshita? Yes. Just a minute. As soon as she saw me and started smiling. Whom did she see? Huh? Me. Okay. Next, no sooner than. I'll write here. No sooner, this one. Use of no sooner. This is A and this is B. Start with the no sooner. No sooner did she. So when you use did, saw V1, see. No sooner did she see me and she sorry. Then she started come in. Started, take your book, sit outside. Started smiling. Here smiling, is it in a participle? Is it continuation? Before? Smiling. Is it verb? Smiling is a verb here in this context, in this sentence. Like I told earlier example. Chandana stood on the stage and her friends started shouting. Here shouting is not a action verb. Though it is action only, they did, but it is not in the place of verb. It is object. Okay. Started is verb. Getting? Started is verb. Then what is shouting? Shouting is gerund. Very good. It's a gerund. Okay. Here also smiling is gerund, not an action. Gerund is nothing but noun only it is. Noun. Next few examples. Take down. All of you sit. We got the question paper. and started answering. We got the question paper and started answering. Very easiest one. Yes, sir. We got the question paper and started answering. Okay, who will answer? No sooner, use no sooner and as soon as. Sandhya?
As soon as he got the question paper, he started answering.
Yes, as soon as he got the question paper, I started answering. Very good. Very good. Okay, all of you write down. Next. No. Yes. No sooner did he get the question paper. We is there, no? What is subject? We, right? We, no problem. What is subject remains same. No change of subjects here. You should not lose marks here. 2 marks easily you can gain. When it is possible, if they don't ask simple compound transformation, definitely they will ask this. If suppose it is skipped, which one is skipped? No sooner, as soon as. If they don't ask, definitely they will ask you change the given or below sentence into simple and compound. Simple and compound. Yes.